Hey, look what I got. This is iPhone XR. Look like it's went to lake, or it's ran over, or maybe it has some big fight with somebody, but there's a lot of mud on the phone, which means it's probably ran over in the mud or it went to lake. The customer said it has some important information, so let's try to fix it and restore it. Let's see if it works or it has some life. So just disconnect the screen from the body, because look at this, it's kind of dirty, but it's okay. Yeah, so look at this, in the bottom is not even leaving this body. So here is it. So I have to clean that mat first, and look at this. This is the water damage. So that's look like went to lake or something, or mud, because you'll see this is a red mark, and let's disconnect the all connector from the body. Motherboard, here's a screen. Let's put the other screen, make sure it's after that. I just checked if the screen was working. So just disconnect all connectors, and customer want to change the different color on it, so I am able to manage the blue color for him, and he says yes. So this is a battery I'm removing right now. So after putting the rubbing alcohol, so it's easy to remove. This is the front camera, so be careful because it has a tape on it. So this is a back camera I'm just removing right now, because this screw is slipped, so I cannot make it straight. So I have the other metal place which I use it. So this is a motherboard, and here's the same reader, and this is the Taptic engine, and I think that's all the stuff I need to take out from there, because I have the other body which contains a bunch of stuff. Look at this blue, nice color. I like that color. So after putting everything on the place, metal piece and the back camera cover, and let's connect the battery. And the battery already I installed, it has a tape on it. So just put aside for a moment. So this is a screen, so this is the earpiece. I just detach, put to the new screen, put on the new screen. So let's connect the new screen to the motherboard, and make sure first before close says everything working fine. So just connect the earpiece, and now I'm connecting to the screen to the motherboard, and this is the first connector, and I'm having a hard time to connect to the other. I don't know why it's giving me a little hard time. Maybe I'm tired because it's kind of end of the day right now. So after connecting those things, it's turning on, shows the Apple logo, and here is working. So this phone is working. I just checked the camera and all this stuff, so I'm just packing it back. It's nice blue color. If you like that video, thumbs up and let me know which color you like most.